video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung kung ano ang kaibahan ng induction motor saka synchronous motor. So, unang difference ng dalawang ito, yung working principle nila. Sa synchronous motor, it works in principle of magnetic locking. So, sa synchronous motor, two magnetic exist in the synchronous motor. One of the stator and yung isa naman sa rotor natin. Ang rotor field change the magnetic field due to the rotation of the rotor in a synchronous speed. So, magbago yung magnetic field natin sa synchronous motor dahil yung rotor na synchronous motor rotates in a synchronous speed. Tapos sa induction motor naman, ang induction motor, it works in the principle of electromagnetic induction. So, it induces electromagnetic force flow in the electric current. So, ang rotor ng induction motor, umiikot siya dahil sa magnetic field of the sa stator. So, ito katulad dito makikita nyo, yung magnetic field na-induce dito sa sa coil. So, ang kaibahan sa working principle ng synchronous saka induction motor is yung synchronous is magnetic locking while ang induction motor electromagnetic induction. So, second difference nila yung speed. Synchronous motor, the speed of the rotor relative to the speed of the stator is equal. So, sabi, ang speed sa synchronous motor saka yung sa stator saka rotor speed is equal lang sa synchronous motor. Equal lang yung nila, yung rotation nila. So makita natin sa formula dito, yung net slip, makukuha nyo sa net slip. Stator speed minus the rotor speed. Makukuha yung net slip ng synchronous motor natin. So, dahil equal lang man yung stator sa rotor speed, ang speed ng synchronous motor is constant speed. Tapos, sa induction motor naman, the rotor speed is less than its synchronous speed. So, ang rotor speed natin, less than siya sa synchronous speed. So, yung net slip ng induction motor is not equal to 0, not greater than to 1 diapon. So, yan yung induction motor. Yung induction motor natin, makakontrol siya gamit ng VFD or variable speed motor. Isa itong variable speed motor na ibig sabihin makakontrol siya gamit ng VFD, variable frequency drive. So, makakontrol natin yung speed ng induction motor natin. So, tandaan natin sa difference na sa speed, yung synchronous speed, constant speed, induction motor, variable speed siya. So, pangatlong difference nila, yung starting nila, excitation. So, sa synchronous, it requires DC excitation system to start the motor. Ibig sabihin, yung yung synchronous motor, kailangan ng DC excitation para mapaikot yung prime mover na motor natin. So, dalawang klase ang supply kailangan ng synchronous motor, yung AC supply saka DC supply para sa rotor natin. While sa induction motor naman, yung synchronous motor, dahil dalawa yung supply niya, DC saka AC, tinatawag to siyang doubly excited motor. While sa induction motor naman, it can start when the supply power to the stator without exciting the rotor. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na kailangan na ang prime mover para mapaikot yung induction motor natin. So, kailangan na siya ng 3-phase AC supply para sa stator. Saka ikot na diretso yung induction motor natin. Dalawang klase ang induction motor, yung squirrel cage at wound type motor. So, ito sa pangapat na difference nila is yung power factor. Sa synchronous motor, it operates at a unity of 1 or 0.8 leading power factor, varying the DC excitation. The power factor can vary widely. So, sa overexcited motors, operates in a leading power factor. So, tandaan lang natin dito, sa synchronous motor, it operates in a leading power factor. While sa induction motor naman, it has only lagging power factor. So, sa induction, yung power factor natin is always lagging, and while in the synchronous, ano siya, leading power factor. Ang power factor ay ito yung angle between the current and the voltage. So, the efficiency and cost sa motor na to. Sa synchronous motor, it has more power efficiency due to the unity of leading power factor. So, more efficiency siya daw compared to the induction motor. So, pero costly siya, so mahal siya kumpara sa induction motor. So, induction motor, it is less efficient, no? Less efficient siya, pero ito yung ginagamit natin sa usually ginagamit ito sa mga industrial plant, yung induction motor. So, yun yung mga difference sa synchronous and induction motor. I hope may natutunan kayo. Sana po supportahan niyo yung channel na to.